if somebody will miss the class. Okay. So you don't have any problem in the lesson volume. Are you sure about that?
The estimation of volume correct.
Okay, so we will finish that fast and we'll move to the today's lesson, liquid measurements. Okay, today then write estimation of volumes. Hurry up. The new subtopic. So what is the meaning of this word estimation? We have learned in the previous lessons as well. We have learned a lot of times about this estimation. What the word estimation means. Any volunteers? Or may I appoint a person? Anisha, do you have any idea about these what this estimation means? Reena? Not anymore? Okay. No one? Can't you hear me? Reena? Anisha? Tanuji, yes. What can you say about this estimation? Don't know? Otherwise, I think that you can't hear me. The answer? Yeah, you have to speak to me, huh? Go. Can you hear me?
Length into breadth
Huh?
into height.
Mana? What do you mean by estimation? Singaling again, if you don't know in English, even doesn't matter. I want to start
Length,
from huh?
breadth into height.
Height estimation. Okay, actually, we learn about estimation in that one as well. But what the meaning of the word estimation? Why when okay, before that, tell me, Ishan, do you have any idea about real life uh, uh, any experience that you have received in estimations in real life? ඇත්ත ජීවිතේ estimations කරලා තියෙනවද මේ? නැද්ද එහෙම?
අනුමාන කරනවා.
Yeah. Singular meaning is that correct? Now, can you give me any real life example for that, Lian Sade? ඇත්ත ජීවිතේ අපි මොන වගේ දේවල්ද අනුමාන කරලා තියෙන්නේ? May not be the volumes, doesn't matter. What are the estimation points that you have had in your life?
Weight.
Abada?
Weight.
Okay, good. That's a good point of estimation. You can estimate the weight of some person, right? We have done it in the lesson weight as well. Right? So what else? You can assume the weight. That is correct. Any estimations? What about the distance? Now, if I ask somebody, what is the distance from here, Polgahavela, to Colombo? Anyone who has any idea? Will it be 10 kilometers? Huh?
Length.
Area of land.
Yeah, good. Vinuki, that is a good example. Area of land, you can estimate that. Yes, nice. So they are the real life stories or real life things that we have come across estimations. Okay. So similarly in this volumes lesson, right, there are many more points that estimation come across. Okay. So estimation means, first of all, we will have to learn about the meaning. No, right. So the word estimation means we are going to guess a value, right? For a certain quantity or a certain volume, actually we are going to guess a value which may not be exact the value. In some cases, it may be the exact value. Okay. Now imagine you can see Have you been to this Polgahavela water tank near the St. Bernadette's Model School? Have you been there? Anybody? Nanuji, have you gone there? No. No, Nanuji?
No, sir.
Oh, and then I ask your father to take you there to just to walk the tank. There's a huge tank at the top of the mountain, not much far away, but you can go with a bike or you want foot even doesn't matter. There's a huge tank like this, right? Which is on the මේක බිම තියෙන්නේ හරි පොළවේ හදලා සිමෙන්ති වලින් එහෙම හදලා ලොකු ටැංකියක් තියෙනවා මේ වගේ හරි the water purification plant is next to this tank, right? And there's a small building and there are a lot of, this is the water board, right? Actually talking about this is Sri Lanka water board, right? So there's a huge tank near to this water board. So what the people do is they do pump water from this you know what is the where there we have Mao, and we bring water to this water purification plant, and after purifying it, right, so they do pump water into this after purification process, and they do store water, right? So you have water within this, right? So there's a huge sum of water in that, so you can estimate the amount of water that it has, like that. Okay, or like a tank, right? You may have a small tank, maybe really smaller than this, right? On a body tank, right? Maybe you have a pond, right? So you can estimate the volume of that. On a volume, right? On a you will have a small box, right? On a box, right? So can't you estimate the volume of this? Imagine you have a matchbox, right? Right? Or volume estimate. Yes, you can, right? You will have a small matchbox like this, right? So you can estimate the volume of that matchbox, right? So these are real life stories or real life things that we have, that we will come across. Okay, so okay, let's write. Liane, Sarwadda Liane ati. Yes, put a star mark below and write. Estimation means guessing. Guessing. Correct me if I'm wrong with the spellings. Liam sir, is this correct? I hope that is correct. Guessing the volume of any object that we come across. That value may not be the exact value, but it should be a value which is much closer to the exact value. Okay, so in your textbook, they have given you small two exercises on exercise 19.4. that here. Let's discuss. What can you do with that? All right. Hope everybody can see this, which I have in your screen, which I have in my screen. So in the first question, Ishan, what they're asking, the volume of the shaded cuboid portion in the figure is 16 cubic centimeters. Estimate the volume of the whole cuboid. ඔන්න දැන් දීලා තියෙනවා cuboid එකක්. ඒ cuboid එකෙන් color කරලා තියෙන region එකේ volume එක දීලා තියෙනවා. How much is that, Ishan? Can you read that for me?
16 cubic.
Yes, it is 16 cubic centimeters. Understood? So now, what is the first step of estimating? Yes, you will have to consider this figure. මේ figure එක ගන්න වෙනවා. Okay? පොතේ යන්න පාම මේ යන්න වගේ. Now, can you see that if you consider one side length like this here, then මේක බලන්න මෙන්න මෙහෙම කොටස් තුනකට අපිට වෙන් කරගන්න බැරිද? සමාන කොටස් තුනකට පේනවද? That we can separate this part into three separate regions. Can you see that? 1, 2, 3, and all of them should, seems to be like equal. So we can say that we can approximately divide the cuboid into three equal portions. We can say that the volume of this entire cuboid should be equals to, එහෙනම් මේ වගේව කෑලි තුනක් තියෙනවා නේද? එහෙනම් මේක අපිට තුනකට බෙදා ගන්න පුළුවන් කියලා කියන්නේ. එහෙනම් මේ වගේව තුනක් තියෙනවා. එහෙනම් total volume එක අපිට estimate කරන්න පුළුවන් 16 වගේ තුනක් තියෙනවා කියලා. Can you understand what is estimation right now? Okay. So right. So let's go with ලියන්න. ලියන්නකො exercise ඔයගොල්ලෝ 19.4 ප්‍රශ්න එහෙම ලියන්න එපා. If you can better you draw the figure. ඔයාලන පින්තූරය අඳ ගන්න ඉක්මනින්. ඒකෙන් යන්නේ නිදි කැලි ටිකක් නඳින්න තියෙන ලොකු අමාරුවක් නැහැ. You are proper artist than me. Good artist. So you can draw it very faster. Right. So approximate number of equal parts. So let's write that equal number of so you can say that you can divide that one into three equal parts, right? So next sentence would be volume of one portion 16 cubic centimeters. Therefore estimated total volume. So මේ වගේව තුන් ගුණයක් තියෙනවා නේද එහෙනම්? So 16 cubic centimeters times 3. Metuka, you will have to tell me the answer after multiplying this quickly.
48.
Very good. How did you get that? 6 times 3 is 18. 1 remains. 3 times 1 is
80.
yes, 40. 48 cubic centimeters. This will be the answer. Okay. Now, second one. Can you try it by yourself? All of you. The length, breadth, and the height of a matchbox are 5 centimeters. I think that is 3 centimeters over there. Let's take the erase and erase this. Yeah, 3 centimeters and 1 centimeters respectively. ඔන්න කියනවා පුංචි ගිනි පෙට්ටියක් දාලා තියෙනවා කියුබොයිඩ් එකක් ඇතුළට. ඒක දිග, පළල සහ උස දීලා තියෙනවා 5, 3 and 1 centimeters. Now, okay, matchboxes are packed in the box as shown in the figure. You asked to estimate the volume of the box. Right. මෙහෙම කරා නම් හරි නේද එහෙනම්? Okay, මම කියන්නේ. අපි දෙමු chance එක චතුනි. Yes. Tell me how to do this question. From where we can start the question? විභාගයට ගියාම උත්තරේට ලකුණු දෙන්නේ නැහැනේ. උත්තරේ ලියා ගන්න අපිට ක්‍රමයේ දැනගෙන ඉන්න වෙනවා. හරි? ඒකින්ද before getting the answer we have to find the method. Tell me how can we do this? Katuni, are you there?
මුලින්ම matchbox එකේ volume එක හොයා ගන්නවා.
Exactly, correct. You'll have to find the volume of the matchbox.
ඊට පස්සේ මේ cuboid එක ඇතුලේ
කියන්නේ cuboid එක ඇතුලේ ඒ වගේව කීයක් දාන්න පුළුවන්ද කියලා හොයන එක නේද? Right. ඒක කොහොමද කරන්නේ? ලියන්සා. Chaturi gave the first step and gave a clue to the second step. Second step එක හැබැයි එකපාර ওই විදිහට කරන්න බෑ. Liansa, can you break down the steps of the second one? Yes, Tenuji? Liansa කතා කරන්නේ.
Yes,
Oh, how can you break down the steps of measuring or finding the number of small boxes within the cuboid, the bigger one? Any idea, or you don't have any idea? Yes. What about these RIS people? Anisha, Shimmer.
The length of the matchbox.
Yeah, good. So, length of the matchbox? For what you want, Anisha, the length of the matchbox? Or the bigger box? You mean? Now, in this one, Chatuni told me that the first step would be finding the volume of the smaller matchbox, right? So, in that case, we will have to find the volume by taking the product of length, breadth, and the volume. Sorry, the length, breadth, and the height. So then, now you can consider the bigger box, and can you see a separate line or line of separation which is over there in the bottom of that box එකේ යට වෙනම තට්ටුවක් වගේ වෙන් කරලා තියෙනවා පේනවද? Can you find that? Can you figure it out? Yes, good. So the next step after finding the volume of the smaller matchbox will be figuring out how many matchboxes can be accommodated within that region. On the mandot making, so let's take highlight. So if I highlight that region on the May region, May region මෙන්න මේ region එකට කොච්චර මේවා දාන්න පුළුවන්ද කියලා හොයාගත්තා නම් හරි නේද? ආ? මෙන්න මේ region එකට yes. So what will be the කොහොමද ඒක හදාගන්නේ? lazy විදියක් කියන්න බෑ. ඔන්න ඔය region එකට දාන්න පුළුවන් match box ටික හොයාගත්තා නම් ඊළඟ step එක මම කියලා දෙන්න. How can you do this? Yes, අපි බලමු මෙන්න මේ length එක අතට. දැන් මේක සෙන්ටිමීටර් 5යිනේ. මෙන්න මේ වගේ පුංචි portion එකක් තියෙනවා. අපි බලමු මේ අතර තව මේ වගේව කීයක් තියාගන්න පුළුවන් වේද කියලා. Yes. Here මේ වගේව කීයක් තියාගන්න පුළුවන් වේද මේ අතර? මෙතුක? හතරක් අපිට තියාගන්න බැරි වෙයි නේද? හතරක් පුළුවන් වේද? Yes, yes, you can. Okay, since this is an estimation, doesn't matter, you can. Okay, so that will, you can say that you can have 4 boxes in this direction. නේද? හතරක් එන මේ අතර තියාගන්න පුළුවන් වෙයි. Okay. Then tell me how many boxes can you keep in the other direction? මේ පැත්තට එන කීයක් විතර තියාගන්න පුළුවන් වේද මේ වගේ? ඉෂාන්?
2 boxes.
2.
පුළුවන් වෙයි නේද?
2 matchboxes.
I can see that it can have more than 2. Seems like you can
3
have
boxes. 3 boxes.
3 boxes.
yes, correct.
3 boxes.
Yes, correct. You can have 3 boxes around like this. Can you see? Okay, so you can have 4 in this row or in this length, and how many in here? 3 in here. Okay, so tell me how many boxes can you accommodate within this region?
12.
Yes, really good. You can accommodate 12. Reena, are you there? You can accommodate for 12 boxes. Can you understand? Okay. Reena, you are not replying. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, okay. I didn't hear your voice. That I call you. Okay, when I ask a question, quick reply that. Okay. Okay, you can accommodate 12 boxes in here. So now, what will be the next step? Can anyone guess? Ishan.
ඒ වගේ layers කීයක් දාන්න පුළුවන්?
Really, yes, exactly. That will be the next step. Thank you. I will give you good effort points for that. So you can find how many such layers are there within the box. Ishan, can you understand that thing? Yes or no? No? Really? මෙන්න මේ වගේ පේනවද අපි කහ පාටි පාට කරලා තියෙනවා එකක්? Ishan, I'm talking to you. Can you see that there's a yellow color region? Now we have found it out that we can have 12 such matchboxes within this. 12ක් අපිට මේක අස්සේ දාන්න පුළුවන් කියලා දැන් අපි හොයාගෙන තියෙනවා. එහෙනම් මේ වගේ තට්ටු කීයක් මේකට ගහන්න පුළුවන්ද කියලා හෙව්වනම් හරි නේද? දැන් එහෙනම් total box ගාන මේක ඇතුළේ හොයාගත්තා කියනවා නේද?
3ක්.
I can see we can have more than
4.
yeah. Yes, Ishan. So we can have 4 layers.
4
5.
4 layers.
හතරක් පුළුවන්. එනේ බලන්න. 1යි 2යි 3යි 4යි. 4ද 5ද? 5ක් බැරි වෙයිද? 4 will be possible. I can see some.
4.
Yeah. 4 will be good. You can have 4. Okay. Here you can see that you can have 1, 2, 3, and with this 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 layers. Can you see that? Ishan, then තේරුණාද? මේකට මේ වගේ layers හතරක් අපිට තියාගන්න පුළුවන්. එහෙනම් එක තට්ටුවක පෙට්ටි 12ක් තියෙනවා. එහෙනම් එහෙම තට්ටු හතරක් තියන්න පුළුවන් නම් අපිට පුළුවන් ඔක්කොම මේක ඇතුලේ තියෙන පෙට්ටි ගන්න හොයාගන්න. තේරුණාද? Okay. ලියමු මගෙත් එක. Good. පළවෙනි step එක volume of the matchbox. හොයන්න බලන්න මම හොයන්නේ නැහැ. දීඝ පළල උස පොත බලලා හොයාගන්න. මම මේක මැකුවොත් ඔක මුකුත් පේන්නේ නැති වෙනවා. මේක දීඝ 5යි පළල 3යි උස 1යි. Length into breadth into height.
15.
Yes, good.
15 cubic centimeter.
You have, yes, Chatuni, it is 15 cubic centimeters. Rina, did you found it out?
Yes.
Okay, good. Shimar, I didn't hear your voice from the beginning of the class. You don't have a mic or any problem with you? Every day you join the class, but I did hear your voice. Can you drop me a message in the text box, in the chat section if you don't have a mic or any problem related to that? You don't have it. Ah, you can hear me.
Yes, sir.
You do have a mic and you don't speak. I got caught. Next time I'll ask questions. Okay, be ready.
Okay, sir.
Ah, okay. Right. Don't be afraid. There are no any right answers, no any wrong answers. Right. Just you are kids that you learn in grade 7. Okay. You are not doing an engineering degree or any kind of thing. Not you are not astronauts. Okay. You can make mistakes. Okay. When I ask a question, you can give an answer. That's simple. Making a mistake. Here you have your colleagues who are in grade 7. No one who's doing any higher grade exam. No. So don't be afraid when you are answering a question. Maybe it is wrong. Maybe it is correct. Why? Right? Okay. So this is the volume. You have found it out. So the next step will be finding the number of boxes in one layer. Right? So we can accommodate 4 boxes in the length and 3 boxes in the breadth. So you can have how many boxes then? 12 boxes. Understood?
12 boxes.
Yes, correct. Okay, great. So then the next step will be number of layers in the,
4.
yes, good, in the large box. Quickly write. Lazy. You can have 4 layers. Right? So then Metuka, tell me what is the next sentence that we can write? What will be the next sentence? Ishan, any suggestions? Go. What will be the next sentence?
12 boxes in
Buddha?
the large box.
Total, yes, good.
Boxes in the large box.
Good. Total number of match boxes in the, on the box, the large box. I'm sorry, my pen is not writing. Bit of a problem here. Okay. So you will have 12 boxes in one layer, and there are 4 such layers. So you will have to multiply that one by 4. So answer will be 40
48.
boxes. Yes, then you good. Chaduni, you got the answer? Now you can find the estimated total volume of the box. The box in here means the larger one. Right. So, Shatuni, how can you figure it out? Then come on.
Sir,
Oh.
matchbox එකේ volume එක 48 වලින් multiply කරනවා.
Right. Correct. Vinuki, did you understand the method?
Sir, ලියන්ස කිව්වේ.
Okay. Yes, I heard it. So one is 15 cubic centimeters, and Vinuki, you have 48 boxes within that. Vinuki, you have to multiply and tell me the answer for this. Quickly multiply it and tell.
$720.
Yes, good. 720. Manada, you need to take
Cubic centimeter.
cubic centimeter.
Cubic centimeter.
Yes. Okay. Exactly correct. So hope everybody got this thing. This much, not much difficult. Really, it's easy. So with that, we can we finish the lesson? Yeah. We can finish the lesson and estimation thing finish with that. And we can move on to the next our new lesson, which is liquid measurements. Okay.
Sir, මම මේ exercise එක ගෙදරින් කරා.
Really good. Okay, so those who have done, you are really good. So those who didn't do, anyhow, we did it here. So grade 7 you are. Okay, we'll start a new section. So with that, we can start the new lesson. What is our new lesson? Liquid.
Liquid measurements.
Okay, write the name of the topic and make it a circle or anything that you like. Write the name of the lesson, liquid measurements, quickly.
Finish the Finish writing the topic, sir.
Finish, sir.
Okay, so when you come to liquid measurements, this is not a difficult lesson, right? I will finish it in maybe 1 hour, so you can leave the class early. Okay, so you'll have to help me. Okay, anyhow, tell me some real life where you have made these liquid measurements in your home, in your school, or in your anywhere. Energy?
In the kitchen.
Oh, really good. Okay, Lianza, you have spent a lot of time within this week in the kitchen. I can see that. Right? Kitchen එකේම ජීවත් වෙලා වගේ මට පේනවා. Yes, okay, good. Anyhow, you told me an example. කියන්න බෑ kitchen එකේ මොනවද කරන්නේ? Thank you බා. Yes, examples. Where you get
Filter.
What? Filter?
Cooking oil.
Yeah, you can measure cooking oil, right? So measuring tap එකේ මොනවද? You can measure cooking oil, yes, correct.
Water.
You can measure, yes.
Juice.
Okay, measure fruit juice, yes, good. Yes, coconut milk, correct. So you can measure coconut milk. Where is? So the kusing a little bit.
Measuring syrups.
Okay, measuring syrups, yes, measuring coconut milk.
Milk.
Measuring milk, yes.
Water.
Measuring water. And what you said? Measuring medicine, yes, correct. So what else? If you got a petrol shed, what do you measure there?
Measuring petrol.
Measuring petrol, or we can say measuring measuring diesel, petrol, anyhow, measuring fuel, right? Kerosene, anything, right? What else? Where else? Measure karan. Okay, so very good.
Measuring mud water.
What water?
Mud water.
What do you mean by that? I didn't get it.
Measuring mud.
Mud? What for?
Measuring rainfall.
Yes, good, very good. Good examples. Measuring rainfall. So, okay, nice try. Yes. I will.
Measuring blood.
Good. Okay. Liansa, measuring blood. That's good. Okay. So these are few examples that you can come across in real life.
Measuring saline.
Measuring saline. Okay, hospital like okay, good. Okay, you have good examples with you. So I would appreciate your answerings and your answers. So these are real life things that we can come across when measuring liquids. Good. Okay. Liamukena liquid measurements. Below that, you just write. නිකන් ලියාගෙන යනවා. මම කියන එක ලියලා ඊට පස්සේ මේ ටික ලියමු. ලියන්නකෝ. In day to day life, we come across different situations where
Sir, can you tell from the beginning?
okay, in day-to-day life we come across different situations of measuring liquids such as කියලා කමාවක් දාලා පේලියට උඹේ ඉදලා දෙන ටික ඔයගොල්ලෝ ලස්සනට ලියාගන්න මම හතර ලියලා දෙන්න. Measuring cooking oil, measuring fruit juice, measuring coconut milk, measuring medicines say syrup and all this, measuring fuels, measuring rainfall, measuring blood, anyhow. On the class on Liam,
Finish, sir.
What about the others? Have you all finished? Anisha?
Yes, sir.
Right. So, okay. So let's consider what are the units that we use to measure liquids. Tell me a few units that you know.
Liter,
Milliliters, milliliters.
Okay, good. Okay. What else?
Kilo.
What is that? Liters. One example, yes. And the trust level, yeah. liters and milliliters. What else? Do you know that?
Millimeters.
Mana?
Kiloliter.
There are no
Kiloliters.
no. We don't use such units. Okay. Actually, there are some units called deciliters, but it is not in use. We don't use this deciliter unit. This is a we don't use kiloliters actually, right? We use only liters, milliliters, and there are some cases there we'll use deciliters, and actually we are not using this one. And have you heard about ounce? Ounce දෙකක් දෙන්න එහෙම අහලා තියෙනවද? Huh?
No, sir.
No, really? Ounce? Haven't you heard? Ask from your mother. They know it. Right? Ounce? Ounce කියලා unit එකක් තියෙනවා. Right? Okay. So, right. Subtopic.
Sir, shall we write?
No. But I mean, this is the thing you had, right? The units of measuring liquids. Okay. Liana, liters. The symbol that we use to denote is simple L. For milliliter, simple ml. For deciliter, simple dl. Then we use some ounce, O-U-N-C-E. We use OZ to denote this. මේ ගොඩක් use වෙන්නේ මේ දෙක not in use කියලා ලියන්න. And gallons, have you heard about gallons? And balloons, gallons.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Gallons. Gallons represent කරන අපි පාවිච්චි කරන්නේ simple GAL කියන එක. Gallons we do use in trains and
Sir. Excuse me, sir. Sir.
yes put again.
සර් මේ ounce කියලා දාලා තියෙන දැන මේ අර brackets ඇතුලේ දාලා තියෙන්නේ 7ද?
නෑ OZ 7 නෙමෙයි. sorry. අමින්ද. අමින්ද එක ලියනක හරියට. simple O simple Z ලියන්න ඕනේ ආ. Simple O, simple Z, ounce. Gallons we do use in most of the trains and these applications. So they measure the number of liters, that is, sorry, the number of gallons that they require to travel 1 kilometer of distance, right? So usually in a car, in a motorbike, in a bus, right? So they do measure the number of kilometers that it can travel with the use of 1 liter of petrol or diesel or any kind of a thing. Okay, but when it comes to trains, it is the opposite way, because they have a huge engines and they can carry lot of weight. So the measurement is like this. ඒගොල්ලෝ බලන්නේ 1 කිලෝමීටර් එකක් යන්න diesel liter එහෙම නැත්නම් diesel gallons කොච්චරක් ඕනද කියලා, like that. Okay, so that's their nature, that's the human You can understand how bigger they are, right? Okay, did you write these units? Finish? Still not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what about the relationship in between these units? What do you know about the relationship? Tell me, Anisha, what do you know about the relationship in between these milliliters and liters? If I ask how many milliliters will be equal to how many liters? Anisha, answer please. Others, please either.
If 1000
1
milliliter
equals 1000 milliliter.
Yeah, 1000 milliliters, Rina, it will be equal to 1 liter, right? So this is the relationship that basically you do use. නේද? අපි මේක තමයි basically පාවිච්චි කරන relationship එක. Okay, අටින් ලියලා ඔය විදිහට කොටුවක් හරි මොකක් හරි ලස්සන බලාකුලක් හරි යන ගන්න ඉක්මනට. 1000 milliliters will be equals to 1 liter. Quickly write this one. Finish? Right, okay. I will give you a simple exercise. Fill in the blanks using the relationship, okay? Quickly do this. Quickly fill these blanks, hurry up. Okay, hope you can do it quickly. I'll give you only 6 for now. Anisha, the relationship that you have given in the message is wrong, right? Not 1 kiloliter equals to 1 liter. 1000 milliliters will be equals to 1 liter. Okay, that's the relationship that you have to use. If you have sent me it by mistake, okay, that's fine.
Finish, sir.
Okay. We'll wait till the others finish. Quickly, let me know once you have finished. I will do it for you, and you can mark it correct if you have done it correctly.
Finish, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, quickly do it without shouting.
Sir, some are chatting in the chat box.
Who's that? Okay, let's see what you have. What's the problem? Hi, who's hi? Satu ni muka tadi. Hi, hi. Okay, hi. So let's chat later. Huh? So who's this? To everyone, the meeting. Not to Anish. Okay, hi. Now stop chatting, huh? Don't do this. Okay, don't send personal messages even. Okay. If I get caught, I'll block you in the class. I'll call your parents as well. Okay, we'll do it here quickly. 4 liters will be equal to how many milliliters? Once I call you the name, tell me the answer, right?
4,000 milliliters.
Okay, don't shout the answer. I will call your names. So you'll have to answer. Yes, the answer for the first one. You told me 4,000
4,000 milliliters.
Okay, others be silent. Then next one, Tanuji, tell me the blank. And Ishan, tell me the answer for this one. Second question, answer for this blank. What should be the blank?
950 milliliters.
Okay, 950 milliliters, correct? Yes. So we'll give the chance for Shimmer. Tell me the answer for this one.
750 milliliter.
Are you sure? What about the liters then? You have 4 liters here.
4,750.
Yes, Shimmer. 4,750 milliliters. Okay, good. Here you have 9,500 milliliters. Anisha, tell me the answer here in number of liters.
9.5 liters.
Exactly, 9.5. How do you get that answer? Can you describe the method? What you have done in converting milliliters to liters?
Dividing 9,500 by 1,000.
Exactly, that is the method, right? So when we are converting milliliters into liters, we do divide it by 1,000. Exactly. So Chatuni, and you can go with this one. Hurry up and tell me. Or else I'll give them the chance to another one. Okay, tell me the answer for this one, Pute. The number of liters.
0.600
25.
Okay, is that the way that we used to read after decimal points? එහෙමද අපි කියවන්නේ decimal point එකෙන් පස්සේ? Energy, is that correct?
0.625.
Yes. You have written the correct answer. The way to read it is digit by digit. Decimal point එකෙන් පස්සේ පුතේ අපි කොයි වෙලාවකවත් ඉලක්කම පිටින්ම කියවන්නේ නැහැ. Right? We read it one digit by digit. Okay? Vinuki, is that correct? Can you read it for me once again? The answer for here. Vinuki?
0.625.
Okay. Did you got that thing again? Don't make any mistake. Okay? Right. Chatuni, are you there? No. Seems
Yes,
like.
sir.
Ah, you are there, right? Okay. Tell me the answer for this one.
20,250.
Okay. How can I write it? Tell me the digits. 2.
20.
Okay.
250.
0. Okay. Can you describe the way that you get this answer, please? How did you get this thing? How did you convert the liters into milliliters? Can you give me the way that you have done it? Can you comment hadwe කියලා? Oh, Shaduni, what have you done? කොහොමද මේක උත්තරේ ගත්තේ කියලා මට කියන්න. Now, that Anisha told me you got this answer 9.5 just by dividing it by 1000. So what have you done in here?
Multiplication.
Yes, Tanuji, you have to do multiplication. Now, Chaduni, tell me by what number that you have multiplied in here?
By 1,000.
Yeah, you have to multiply it by 1000. Neda? Chaduni, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so then once you have to multiply it by 1000, tell me, how can you do it? Here you have a decimal, 2.025. Okay, so what is the thing or what we have learned regarding these multiplications of decimals? What happened to the decimal point? What you have learned, tell me. We have learned like that. When we are multiplying by 10, what happened to the decimals? When we are multiplying by 100, what happened to the decimal, right? So we have learned these things before. Using your knowledge of excellent knowledge of that. Okay. Kian, anybody else? Energy? When we are multiplying, what will happen? Call.
The decimal point is going to left side.
Oh, right side.
Right side.
Right. बात करना था बेहतर बात किया किया नहीं तो कोई हरी हाँ बात करना नहीं तभी नहीं वार्ड देना तो नहीं ना okay. So the decimal point will move in the right hand side. चातु नहीं साथ देना है वार्ड देना मैं प्रश्न वार्ड दी के लिए ना. So when you are multiplying it by 1000, Chatuni, there are 3 zeros. Doesn't matter, you have gone wrong. Come on, you have 3 zeros, which means the decimal point should move to the right hand side by 3 decimal places, right? So here you go 1 decimal place, here you go to 2 decimal place, and from there onwards 3, right? So it will go and stop in here, which means in here. So what will be the answer? Do you need to write the 0? The answer?
No.
Exactly, no. Yes, good. So the answer in here is 2025 milliliters. Shimar, you got this answer? Shan, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good, very good. So, okay, we'll move to the next part of the lesson. Actually, we have done with these additions and multiplication the previous grades, but we will try it somehow. Okay, there are a few examples in your textbook. We'll do that here. Okay, in page number 82, you can turn that, and or I will take it here, so then you can answer it here without any problem. Okay, quickly do these additions. Hurry up and do it. Simplify. You have to add and subtract, and there are 2 additions and there are 2 subtractions. Quickly do this. I'll come with. Once you are finished, tell me. Huh? Guys, have you finished? Still not?
Sir,
Okay, sir.
finish.
Right, shall we discuss this then?
Okay, sir.
Right, okay. How to do this addition? This is an addition, eh? 0 plus 0 will give you 0, and 5 plus 5 will give you 10. You put 0 here and 1 remaining. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 6, 3. You get 6, no? Okay, and 7 plus 4 will give you 11. So the number of liters is 11 liters and 600 milliliters. Okay, you need to, no need to write the units because they have given in the top above. Now, what about this addition? 0 plus 5 will give you energy 5, and 5 plus 7 will give you 12, 1 remaining, and you have to take that one here. 1 plus 9 will give you 10. Here, can you keep 1025 over here? No.
Can't.
Then You have to take
Oh,
1000 milliliters to this side. So when you are taking milliliters to liters, that will become what? How many liters? 1 liter, neither.
1 liter.
Fine. Yes, good. Okay. So then, Netuka, 1 plus 3 will give you 4. 4 plus 7 will give you 11. So once again, the answer is how many liters? 11 liters, 25.
11 liters, 25
Okay,
milliliter.
exactly. Now here subtractions. Okay, Chaturi, when you going with subtractions, so what we will do in here? We do take only, we have only 50 milliliters and you have to subtract 875 out of that, which is not possible currently. So what we do, we take 1 liter from this side. So altogether there will be 1050 milliliters. Now you can do the subtractions. Can you subtract 5 from 0? No. Ask 1 from this side. So altogether 10 in here. 10 minus 5 will give you 5, right? And here you have only 4 remainings. And you can you subtract 7 from 4 as well? Cannot. So asking 1 from the other side, and that person also don't have. So you have to, that person had to ask from this one. It will become 10 in here, and he will give 1 to here, altogether 14. Okay, and 14 minus 7, you'll get another 7 here. And what will be the value in here? Currently 9. 9 minus 8 will give you 1. Understood? And since the 1 liter have been taken to this direction, there will only be 5 liters remaining in here. You need to subtract 3 out of 5, which will be 2. So altogether the answer is 2 liters and 175 milliliters. Understood? Yeah? Okay. Similarly, in the second question, so the fourth question, you have to take 1 liter to this side. Altogether, it will be 1045 milliliters. So when subtracting 5 minus 5 will give you 0. So here, no, you can't subtract. Ask 1 from here who also, that person also doesn't have. So altogether, it will be 10. Asking 1 from this side. And another taking 1 from that here. May the high එකක් එහා පැත්තට ගෙනියනවා. එතකොට මෙතන 14යි 14න් 6 කඩුනහම 8. Here you'll get 9 as a remainder, and 1 minus 9 will give you 8. Here you have 2 as the remainder. Sorry, 2 as the remainder. So 2 minus 2 will give you 0. So the final answer is 880 milliliters. Have you all got these answers? Or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So then you are good at adding and subtracting of liquids. So today we will learn about multiplications and divisions related to these liquids. Understood? Write the new subtopic, multiplications and divisions of volumes. This is the part of that we are going to learn in this lesson, which is not really difficult. Multiplications and divisions of liquid. Under this, I will give you a simple example. You may write this. All of you need to draw the topic. Okay, write an example. Yeah, there are there are 15 bottles of 15 bottles of certain medicine in a box. Stop. If the volume of if the volume of one bottle is if the volume of one bottle is 175 milliliters, find the total volume of medicine in all the bottles. Okay, 15 bottles are of certain medicine are in a box. If the volume of one bottle is 175 milliliters, find the total volume of the medicine in all the bottles. Okay, so this is kind of a certain sentence question. What would be the first sentence? Tanuji? Volume of one bottle, right? Isn't it?
Okay.
Yes, good. So what is the volume of one bottle? That is given in milliliters. It is
175 milliliters.
okay, good. So what will be the next sentence, Chansoni?
The numbers of volume, the number of bottles,
Yes, energy. That would be the number of bottles. So what is the number of bottles that we have?
15.
We have 15 bottles, right? So what would be the next sentence then? Total
Total volume of
medicine, right?
bottles.
Okay, total volume of bottles or total volume of medicines would be preferred. That would be better. Medicine. Okay. So how can you find the answer? By multiplying 175 by 15. Okay. In that way you can find the answer. Okay. You people, can you multiply it quickly? Do the multiplication. 175 times 15.
2 liters and 325 milliliters.
Okay, let's check whether you are correct. Others, have you done this? Okay, I will go with the 15 times. Okay, 15 times 5 will give you 75. So I write 5 in here, and how many remaining? You got 7 remainders. 15 times 7, which is 105. 105 plus this 7. 15 times 7 will give you 105. 105 plus the 7. 105 plus 7 here, 112. Okay, you write 2 here. How many remaining? 11 will be the remainder. Okay, so 15 times 1 will give you 15. 15 plus this 11, 26. Okay, so it will be 2625 in milliliters, and if you're writing in liters, it will be 2 liters and 625 in milliliters. Okay, both the weights are correct. Tamai වැඩි කරගත්තද හරියට? නැද්ද?
Oh, sir.
Okay, right, good. So then let's move to the next question. Right. Yes. Okay, you have a simple multiplication steps in your textbook. I'll write it in here. Okay, I'll take it here quickly. Yes, here it is. So let's do this thing faster. Right, all of you, try it by yourself. You have a multiplication, a simple multiplication, not much difficult in here. Quickly multiply all these 4 questions.
Finish, sir.
What about the others? Have we finished all of you?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. Ishan, what about you? No? Okay. Eh? ඉවරයි යා පොඩ්ඩ හයියෙන් කීහන් ඇහෙන්නේ නැත්තම්. හා 5 times 5 will give you 25. ඈ? හයිත් කෑගා. ඕන්න නැති වලට නම් කියවනවා. 5 times 5 will give you 25 and 2 remaining. And 5 times 2 will give you 10. 10 plus that 2 will give you 125. So can we leave 125 in this one? Can I count? පුළුවන්ද බැරිද? මිලිලීටර් 125ක් තියන්න පුළුවන්ද?
පුළුවන්.
පුළුවන්.
Yes,
Right.
sir.
Okay. Yes, okay. Right. 4 times 5, then 5 times 4 will give you 20. So the answer is 20 liters and 125 milliliters. Okay. So let's take the product of this one. 4 times 0 it is 0. 4 times 5 it is 20. 2 remaining. 4 times 3 it is 12. 12 plus that 2 will give you 14. But can you have 1 in here? This one? It is 1400. Cannot. Therefore, you have
Can't.
as here, yes, it will be 1 liter in here. So don't forget it. 4 times 2 will give you 8. 8 plus this one will give you 9.
9.
9 liters, 400 milliliters. So when you go to this product, 5 liters and 750 milliliters, okay, how did you multiply it? You can write it in the easier way if you like this, and take the product in this way. Okay. So 13 times 0, 0. 13 times 5. Then method very easy. Can't take that. Can you hear me, Putara? Yeah, okay. Can you hear me right? There was a small power cut, by the way. Answer for this one is 74 liters. This is 74 liters and 750 milliliters. Got it? Yeah, what about the product of this one? 8 liters and 575 milliliters. It is 20 divided by 15. What is the answer for this one? Chaturi?
128 liters.
Yes, correct. 128 liters. What is the number of milliliters?
625 milliliters.
625 in milliliters. Good. So this is the answer for this one. Okay. So this is about multiplications, and you can do this multiplication exercise 20.1 at home, and we'll go to the next topic. Write it: divisions of liquids. Right. The next subtopic: divisions of divisions of liquid. Okay. Write an small example. Okay. For the example එකක් ලියා ගන්න. In a tank, there were there were 5 liters and 750 milliliters of petrol. If 5 cans of equal volumes were filled, if 5 cans of equal volumes. Okay, Anisha, wait, I'll tell it at the end. Exercise. In a tank, there were 5 liters and 750 milliliters of petrol. Full stop. If 5 cans of equal volumes were filled using that volume, can you hear me? There's a, I think there's a rain coming. Okay, the power cuts are there. Okay, anyhow, now we'll not rely on the power mobile. Okay, were filled using that volume. Find the volume of one such can. Okay, it says that in a tank there were 5 liters and 750 milliliters of petrol. If 5 cans of equal volume were filled using that volume. So a volume of petrol use කරලා cans කීයක් පුරවගෙනද? 5ක් පුරවලා තියෙනවා. Okay, then they are asked to find the volume of one such can. එහෙනම් එකක volume එක හොයන්නලු, right? Okay, how can you find it? Let's try it. Yes, what is the basic operation that we can carry out? Yes, it is simply divisions, right? Neither. So you can follow the long division if you wish, right? If you can write number of liters and number of milliliters within the division sign like this. Okay, මේම ලියන්න පුළුවන්. ලියලා පහෙන් බෙදන්න පුළුවන්. Okay, right. Ishan, can you continue the division with me? Okay, so for 5, how many 5s are there? 1, right? So 1 times 5 will give you 5. If you subtract 5 from 5, there will not be any remainder. So the answer is 0 in here.
1.
Okay. So now you need to divide 750 by 5. Okay. For 7, how many 5s? You have 1. 1 times 5, 5. Subtracting 5 from that, you will get 2. And you can take this 5 here. For 25, you will have another 5. 5 times 5 again, 25. Once you subtract.
1 liter and 100.
Okay, you can take the zeros. For no zeros, you can have a number of no milliliters. Therefore, the answer is 1 liter and
1 liter and 150 milliliters.
Okay, if you have got this correct. Understood the thing? Okay. So really, it is simple with divisions. Putala, here it is going to have a huge rain. May I quit today for today? Power cuts and seems like thundering as well. Is it raining for you people as well? Liansa,
Yes, sir.
You are just.
Yes.
Chaturya,
Yes.
explain for you. Ishan, no.
තියෙනවා.
Mm-hmm.
වහිනවා.
වහිනවා. Okay. So then, පුතාලා මේ divisions තියෙන එක හරි ලේසි. You can try this exercise both 20.1. Anisha, you asking that one. I asked previously to do 20.1, and now I am asking you to do 20.2. So with these power cuts and all, I will quit the class for today. It's a little bit early, like 20 minutes anyway. So you can complete the exercise next day. You can try the miscellaneous one as well. If you have any problem, we will discuss next day. Okay? So we will stop the class for now. So all of you, thank you for coming for the class today. And it's a little bit early because due to bad weather, I'm going to stop it. Okay? Understand? Right? Goodbye. Thank you for coming.
Goodbye.
Okay, you can
Bye,
leave the
sir.
class.
Goodbye.
Okay, we will have the class on the usual time. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye. Goodbye.